Hey girlfriends, for this video I'm doing a braid out with Bantu knots on the side for fine natural hair. I only used one product and it is the Cream of Nature Hydrating Curling Cream with coconut milk. So I'm only going to be using just a little bit just to see how it works because you know fine hair doesn't need a lot of product before it gets weighed down. So we're just trying something out. So right now I'm just parting my hair on the side for which I would like the Bantu knots to be, and that is going to be my right side. So it's just going to be that little section right there, and I'm going to section the rest off, comb it, detangle it through. My hair is wet because I did wash and deep condition my hair, and then I'm moisturizing starting at the ends on the way up. Sometimes it's just really nice and refreshing to keep it simple. So this styler is serving as a moisturizer and a styler, which is great. So for the Bantu knot, you start off like a 2-strand twist and make sure that hair is thoroughly detangled. So right now I'm just twisting all the way down, and as I get to the end I begin to coil and coil and coil so it starts to naturally want to roll around, and then I bring it up toward the top. It starts to form its own knot, and then you just hold the knot with your hand and keep wrapping and coiling, wrapping and coiling, wrapping and coiling. And once you get to the end, you can secure it with a bobby pin or a rubber band. You might find these bobby pins unsightly, and if so, use a rubber band. I don't mind the bobby pins. And then you just keep doing that throughout the entire section that you want to Bantu knot. Again, you add your styler, your creamer, and then you 2-strand twist, and when you get to the end you begin to coil and wrap it around the natural knot that it forms, and you keep wrapping and coiling, and then you're going to secure your Bantu knot, and you're all finished with the Bantu knots. It's really simple. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to begin to part my hair. My hair is still wet, but it's starting to dry. So I would like to get some moisturizer on there before it dries. So I'm just going through sections of my hair, and I'm adding my moisturizer slash styler and detangling a bit. Now that the hair is all detangled and moisturized, I add a little bit more styler to that section, and then I begin to cornrow, French braid, whatever you call it. I began to do that in the front. I want the front braids to be braided forward to fall in my face because I would like my hair to fall in my face. So at the end of every cornrow, you are going to coil the ends. You never braid all the way down. So I think I did 3 or 4 of these braids. This is definitely not a cornrow tutorial. I would never give you all a cornrow tutorial. Just not that good at it. But whatever I do, like, it gets the job done good enough for me. I mean, it's laying flat on my head. So there you have it. Okay, so it looks like I did 3 in the front. So now I'm going to continue to cornrow my hair in the direction that I would like it to lay. So this is the way the braids look. I have about 3 right there on the side, 3 or 4. And then I have about 5, I think 5 in the back. You'll see. Let me turn around. Turn around, girl. Okay, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 6 back there. And at the bottom, I did 2-strand twists. You see those? Those are 2-strand twists. And the reason why I did that is because I want that part to look shorter. And you know, 2-strand twists shrink up. Braids stretch your hair a little bit more. Twist, they're going to shrink up. So as you can see, we're on to the next day. I added oil onto my hands and I began to unravel my braids. Although this is sped up, this is done very slowly. Braids are annoying to take out, much more annoying than twists. But you have to take them out slowly, and that helps minimize the frizz. So yeah, I'm just taking them all out, and then I'm gonna get my pick and try to get some volume on my fine fine natural hair. And I also pick it for shape. So you don't want to pick too aggressively, and you only want to focus on the roots of your hair. And so like I like more volume at the top, and I like the back to look shorter, but my back is a bit of a looser texture, and so it appears to grow much faster. So I always end up with a mullet. I just need to stop cutting my hair because I always end up with the same hairstyle and haircut. So now I'm just trying to fix those edges. And then, oh, this part right here, sometimes if I pick a little bit too aggressively, I'll just get a little bit more styler and just coil the end to eliminate some of the frizz that I've created with just excess manipulation, specifically with fine hair. It's very easy to get that frizz because you're trying to get the volume. So, you know, we do the most. But this is the final look. Braid out with my Bantu knots on the side. And this style is really cute, and it gives you a little bit of stretch when your hair is shorter. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.